तो यहाँ पे देखिए चैप्टर का नेम क्या है, बच्चे को बोलिए। गौरी द ड्रीमर। ओके, तो बच्चे को पढ़ के सुनाइए। गौरी was a young village girl. She was 15 years old. She helped her mother in the home and on their small farm. So, you can ask like, who is a small village girl in this chapter? Then, if they don't say, you can say the answer like, Gauri was a young village girl. She was 15 years old. So how old is she? She was 15 years old. Then she helped her mother in the home and on their small farm. गौरी अपने माताजी को घर में और उनके जो फार्म है उसमें हेल्प करती है. So who helped her mother in the farm and home? Then they can say Gauri. Okay, but Gauri was a dreamer. Dreamer means, आप बच्चों को समझाएंगे, ड्रीमर मीन्स जो सपने देखते हैं. सपने कैसे देखते हैं? सोते हुए भी देखते हैं, जागते हुए भी देखते हैं कोई कोई. तो बच्चे को ये समझाइए. When she was milking the cows or feeding the hens, she would dream and dream again. So, who are there in their small farm? From this sentence, we know that there are hens and there are cows. Okay. So, she was milking the cows. Means, गौरी दूध निकालती है गाय से और जो हेन्स हैं उनको खाना दिलाती है. ठीक है. एंड वो दिलाते दिलाते वो सपने देखती रहती है. उसके बाद she often said to herself, when I grow up, I will buy a big farm for myself and become rich. So, इसका मतलब ये है कि जब वो ड्रीम देखती रहती है तो सपने में वो देखती है कि जब वो बड़ी हो जाएगी तो अपने लिए एक बड़ा सा फार्म खरीदेगी एंड वो बहुत धनी बन जाएगी. One day her mother said, Gauri, your auntie Ramabai has invited me to spend the day with her tomorrow. So what is her auntie's name? Her auntie's name was Ramabai. So who invited Gauri's mother? Gauri's auntie Ramabai has invited Gauri's mother. So I am going there. What shall I do with the milk? Asked Gauri. So when her mother is not there, so who will do the milking and who will sell the milk? So Gauri is asking her mother. So who will go to market? Who will sell milk? Okay, you go to the market yourself and sell the milk. So her mother is saying, you go to the market yourself. तुम अपने से जाना और दूध बेचना. said her mother. उसके मम्मी बताई. You may keep the money too. जो दूध बेचने के बाद जो तुमको पैसा मिलेंगे तो उसको तुम अपने साथ रखना. Oh mother, may I keep all the money? So उसने क्या पूछा अपने मम्मा से कि मैं सारा पैसा क्या खुद रख लूँ? Yes child, said the mother. तो उसकी मम्मी ने क्या बोले कि हाँ तुम रख लेना. All that money is yours. You may even spend it. तो यहाँ पे उसकी मम्मी ने क्या बताया कि जो भी तुम बेच के तुमको पैसे मिलेंगे वो तुम्हारे हैं, तो उसको अगर खर्च करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. The next day Gauri milked the cows. When the pot was full, she put it on her head to go to the market. So अगले दिन क्या हुआ, जैसे कि उसकी मम्मी ने बताया था कि उसके आंटी के यहाँ जाएंगी तो दूध निकालेगी गौरी, और जब पॉट फुल हो गया है तो उसको अपने सर के ऊपर रख के वो मार्केट गई. On the way she began to dream. As Gauri was a dreamer, so on the way to market she began to dream. She said to herself, am I not lucky? I will sell milk and with that money I will buy hens. The hens will lay eggs and the eggs will give me more hens. So ये लाइन पढ़ते पढ़ते आप बच्चों को थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे वे से समझाइए ताकि बच्चे इसको याद रख सकें. तो वो क्या सपने देखती है? क्या मैं लकी नहीं हूँ? जब मैं दूध बेचूंगी तो मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे. उस पैसे से मैं क्या खरीदूंगी? हैंस खरीदूंगी. उस हैन जो मैं खरीदूंगी वो अंडे देंगे और वो अंडे से और भी ज़्यादा हैंस निकलेंगे. तो आई विल बी ए रिच गर्ल इन द विलेज, जो कि उसकी ड्रीम थी. व्हेन आई ग्रो अप आई विल बाय ए बिग फार्म. तो वो रास्ते में जाते जाते ये सब सपने देख रही है. I will be a rich girl in the village, she said to herself as she walked along. Then all the village boys would like to marry me. तो वो सपने में क्या देख ली है कि मैं धनी हो जाऊंगी तो जो मेरे गांव में जो लड़के हैं वो मुझे शादी करने के लिए आएंगे. But I will say no, thank you, and I shall turn my head away. मतलब कि इतने सारे लड़कों को वो मना कर देगी. तो जब उसने टर्न की अपने हेड बाय ड्रीमिंग नो थैंक यू. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड? यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. द पॉट फेल डाउन, फेल ऑन द ग्राउंड. ओके, poor Gauri was just dreaming. She really turned her head and the pot of milk fell on the ground. So all the milk fell on the ground. Gauri was very sorry. She took a vow. She said to herself, God has punished me for talking too much to myself. So dreaming means she can talk to herself all the time. I must remember not to make this mistake again. Okay? So in this way you can read the chapter for your child. Then you are going to ask anything from this chapter. Then your child will easily answer. Then coming to second point, there are many words that are too difficult. They cannot write in a first go. Okay, so they are going to spell it properly and practice writing. Okay, small words so that they can remember. Then they are going to remember the word meaning, so that if they will not write the original word, they can make their own word related to that word. Okay, now when I say like first orally you can do like rewrite the sentences in the order in which Gauri was dreaming about her future. Okay, by reading all these sentences they will know what is the first one. First sentence is I will milk the cows, I will sell the milk. The second one, then I will buy hens with that money. By selling, she earns some money. Then I will buy hens with that money. And the hens will lay eggs. And the eggs will give more hens. Then the village boys will like to marry me. I will say no, thank you. Okay, in this way they are going to remember how they are going to write the answer. Okay, so they already remember by arranging the sentences from this